fireplace. Hello friends, my name is Jackie. Welcome to Super Enthused. Today I'm at Walt Disney World. It's New Year's Eve, but this video will be released about a week after New Year's Eve. So Happy New Year, because people keep saying Happy New Year a week in, right? Today I'm here to celebrate with my friends and see what Walt Disney World is like on the most crowded, busiest, craziest day of the year, New Year's Eve. Most people probably are sharing techniques of how to get the most done possible. I'm gonna go the opposite direction. I'm not trying to get anything done. I'm just trying to relax and have fun. So come along with me and my friends and let's see how we can navigate Disney World on the busiest day of the year. And I'm starting out with a relaxing sit and chat by the fire, a little fireside if you will. Let's go. The boardwalk is so beautiful. It's after the holidays, but it's still decked out in its beauty. This is one resort I haven't gotten to really explore with its holiday decorations, so I'm glad I got to come over here. And they've got their own gingerbread house.
Oh, that's what I need. Oh my God, this is crazy.
Very, very nice. And you know, I got some gingerbread to fortify me for this long, long night. Oh, this is unique. Never seen this before. Happy New Year. Disney's Boardwalk. Design your own NYE Mickey ears. Oh my gosh, and it's going on right now. And there's a New Year's Eve bash here, so really, we could just stay right here at the resort if we wanted to. But we're gonna go into Epcot, and I have with me Brian, Orlando Theme Park 360. Are you ready to like rock and roll all night?
It's not really how Epcot does, but okay.
And party every day?
Sure.
Okay. Starting off at Disney's Boardwalk, we've got a view across the water of the boardwalk, and we're going to walk over to Epcot. And welcome to New Year's Eve at Epcot. I am not making a video about New Year's Eve. I am making a video about a silent dance party. That's right, I'm here with my friends and we're gonna do a silent dance party. We are in a huge line and we're gonna dance and it's gonna be silent. And I'm going to share it with all of you. So let's say hi to our cast of characters.
Our characters?
We have
Hello.
Dev. You may know him as Prince Charming Dev.
Hey.
And he's here ready to dance.
Yes.
And be silent.
Yes. Most of all, have fun.
We have Brian, Orlando Theme Park 360. He does 360 videos. That's, you know, his thing.
They go around.
They go round and round. We have the Magic Geekdom! Kara, Jeremy, I call them Karami. You may now hear Veronica and Nate call them Karami too.
Yes.
I think they think that's your real name now.
It's fine. We actually, I think, accidentally introduced ourselves just the other day as Karami. It just came out naturally.
It's like Brangelina, but better because better.
Just better.
So are you guys ready for the silent dance party?
I am very ready. Are you ready?
It's like foggy and misty and this is amazing.
Get the mood.
Really cool. Yeah, it's a mood going on. And we're in front of the, what is this wall called, you guys?
Bubblegum wall.
Bubblegum wall. So we're gonna do this. Here's the line that we're in for the silent dance party. You all probably know by now from everyone else's videos that New Year's Eve at Epcot is packed, but it's exciting. I must say that as crazy as it is, it's really, really fun. So it's called Silent Groove. Grab a pair of headphones, choose to join Red Party or Green Party, and dance the night away. Lose yourself in Silent Groove. So once this starts, we're gonna make our way through this line and get in there and get in the Silent Groove. I'm really excited about this because it's something I've never done before. And if you guys know anything, you know I love sharing things I've never done before. Brand new experiences. So that's what we're in for tonight. Silent Groove. I hear an announcement going on. I guess since we're here, I'll show you some New Year's Eve fireworks too. Okay, this is looking pretty nuts so far. So the premise is you pick either the red or the green side. Someone just told me you can alternate while you're in there, which that would be great. So we'll find out though. Look at this, we've got fog machines, People are dancing. This is so interesting. There's music playing out here, but what they can hear is different than what we're hearing. We're almost in. Okay, I've got my headphones. This is so weird. This is so weird. I don't know how to change the channel. I don't know how to do this. Oh, I love this song. Oh, so this is interesting. Let me show you.
Don't change it, it's gonna be shaky.
So what's happening is there's a green DJ and there's a red DJ. And depending on the color you choose is the music you hear. We're red now. We switched to red. He's still green though. We hear different music. It's crazy. Different songs. We hear the same song. They're hearing different songs. There are the DJs. This is crazy. The earphones off, and it's really weird. Everyone's singing. It's very interesting. Like everyone's singing. I'm gonna put them back on. I'm gonna put them back on. Because I can't hear it on either channel, but it's New Year's Eve. What are you gonna do? Okay, we are completely and utterly exhausted. We danced with these things on for I do not know how long. It was really, really fun. It was fun seeing WDW couple in here. We got to dance with them and hang with them for a bit. And now we're turning in our headphones.
Yes, we are.
Yes. Now we're gonna just like continue partying around the world because it's New Year's Eve. I wasn't gonna do a New Year's Eve vlog, but that was so much fun. That was so fun.
I can stay there all night.
Yeah, you're in it to win.
We're getting dehydrated, so we have to leave.
We gotta get some drinks. All right, let's go. So the whole entire Epcot right now is just like a crazy party. I did not expect this. This is kind of awesome. You know, people say it's crowded. Don't do it. It's so crazy, but all you need is some good friends, and it's fun. Yeah, okay, it's a little crowded, but you know, whatever. Sometimes you find weird things.
That's disrespect.
You will never see people in the grass like this. And look at these cool Mickeys. I really, really like these Mickeys. They are very cool. So we found a spot on the floor. Everybody's like relaxing. We're kind of like toast a little bit right now. Oh, he has chips.
Yep.
Professional. And we're just kind of like resting. We're ready. There's a lot of people sleeping on the floor. I'm not gonna vlog them because they didn't ask for this. Look, it's this life of So you guys are going to like do your thing, but it's really
Nice to see you too.
a moment in time. Happy New Year's Eve.
Happy New Year's Eve too.
like my hat? You like my hat? We're coming upon Italy, and it is Italy insanity. It's actually not that bad making our way over here. We were just in a big dance party in China, and there's a lot of music, but it's not that bad. To watch illuminations and the New Year's Eve fireworks. Like a rocket launching. Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you for joining us tonight. Make sure you check out Magic Geekdom's video, Prince Charming Dev's video of the night. Ryan Orlando Theme Park 360 is here. He doesn't have a video, but check him out anyway. Have an awesome 2019. I hope you enjoyed this fun dance party and New Year's Eve night at Epcot with us. Until the next adventure in 2019, you guys know what to do. Stay tuned!
Yeah!